Hello again. Today we're gonna replace the display of this Acer laptop. The model of the laptop is Acer Aspire A515. The problem with the display, someone put some pressure on the back side of the laptop, and now the display is showing only white screen, which is fading. And if you twist the display a little bit, the picture counts for a second and then freezes. Usually this means there's a problem with the board on the display itself. So we're gonna replace the display. Now, the first thing, of course, when you are replacing a display, you have to disconnect the battery. Usually this laptop has a pinhole in which when you press you disconnect the battery, but I like to do it the old-fashioned way. So the first thing, I'm gonna open the laptop and I'm gonna physically disconnect the battery, because I don't trust this type of disconnecting the battery. Give me a few minutes just to take the back cover out. Sorry about that. People are coming in the shop. All the screws should be the same size, so this laptop has seen better days. We have a liquid damage here, we have a broken plastic here, so now, since we got the back cover out, we can disconnect the battery. Like I said, you don't have to do this, but I prefer to do it the old-fashioned way. Now let's flip the laptop and try to change the display. Let me try to zoom a little bit. Yeah. We have to open the cover. We have a missing piece here, you probably noticed. Now the display is held by 4 screws, so basically we have to take out the screws. On this model it's not with a double-sided tape on the back, so it's still easy replaceable. The laptop is with I think 30-pin display with EDP connector. I'm gonna put the model into the description of the video. We have to remove this tape here. That's the display. I don't know, can the camera focus? Not, of course. Yeah. Um, anyway, we have the new display here. We have to connect it, and we're gonna put some tape also, so the cable don't go loose. Just a second. Make sure that you connect the cable properly, then put some tape, and we're gonna put back the display. Now there's a foil on the display. I usually remove it once I am sure that the display is working fine. Otherwise, the companies doesn't always honor the warranty of the display. So, like with the phones, first test and after that remove the foil. Now let me connect the battery. Let's power on. Since we disconnect the battery now, we need a charger to activate the battery. Just a second. As you can see, the display is working fine. Let's see, is the backlight working here? No, we have to be in the Windows. Okay, let's go to Windows to see is there any brightness control. But usually the display is absolutely the same. I don't have a hard drive. Okay. Since it's absolutely the same display, we're gonna count this as working. I'm gonna put the cover of the display, I'm gonna put the hard drive, and then we're gonna test again. Let's put everything back. Now let's put the hard drive back. Like I said in the beginning, you don't have to take out the drive and the back cover. You can only disconnect the battery from the pinhole, but like I said, I want to be sure everything is disconnected. The positive side is when you remove the back cover, you can clean the laptop from any dust or something like that. Now let's power on. The battery should be fine now. Yeah. Let's see, do we have Windows? Yeah, Windows is loading. I'm gonna put the display a little bit on an angle because there may be some personal information. Windows is loading slowly. It's a regular hard drive. Customer doesn't have SSD. We have a picture, but it's still loading quite slowly. But let's test. As you can see, the display goes darker and brighter. So pretty much the brightness control is working. Pretty much that's the whole procedure. I hope you liked the video. That's it for now. Bye bye.